Remember what CRUD means? Create, read, update, delete. Those are the request types that the front end sends to the back end. What does every single one of those 4 requests maps to when it comes to what we're telling the computer? If you're here, you should have probably watched the video that I created last time when I was talking about CRUD. Remember what CRUD means? Create, read, update, delete. Those are the request types that the front end sends to the back end. I promised you that I was going to talk to you about what does every single one of those 4 requests maps to when it comes to what we're telling the computer. I hope you're taking notes. I don't know who came up with these terms, so if they don't make sense to what it is, just imagine any other technical stuff that you have to remember, like Command C for copy, Command V for paste. Okay, here we go. When we want to make a request to create new data in the database, we say that we're sending a post request. When we want to send a read request, we're saying that we're sending a get request. When we say that we want to send an update request, we're saying that we're sending a put request. Last one. This one is my favorite. When we say we want to send a delete request, well, we are sending a delete request. That's it. So create, post, read, get, update, put, delete, delete. So we know the front end is sending all these types of requests, but if the back end is this, something that we don't see, how are these requests handled on the back end? When I was making that analogy of a waiter grabs the order, goes and finds a specific chef to make a specific type of food. When I come back, we're gonna connect that analogy to what actually happens in the machine, in the computer, and then we'll go and get to the database and we'll wrap this thing up. Until next time, peace.